Hello everyone and welcome to the first video of this complete Python 3 course. Now this course is all about Python and we're going to learn all complete Python 3. Now this course is simply just dedicated to Python 3. So the most asked question about learning Python is that why should you learn Python? So according to the recent results of Google Trends, Python has been declared as the most searched and used programming language in the world. Making its way up, Python is beating high-level programming languages such as JavaScript, Java, C#, and C++ in terms of popularity and usage. So that's a good, powerful reason for why you should learn Python. And now you might be thinking, what's the reason behind this massive growth? So the amazing reason, or very simple, there are some reasons which are very simple, and those reasons are that first, Python is a very powerful language. It can be used for many things. Python can be used for web development, software development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and anything you can think of. Now take an example of JavaScript. JavaScript is mostly famous for web development, and JavaScript cannot be used for everything that popular, or that powerful. Plus Java is famous for the backend systems of softwares and softwares to be specific. C# and C++, they're famous for game development. So every language that has their own specification or their own power. While Python can be used for anything, it can be used for web development, software development, the examples I gave. Now, in this course, we're going to learn about the basics of Python, which is going to be a good broad section. In that section, we're going to learn about the basics of Python. After that, we're going to learn methods and functions. We're going to learn how to build methods and functions in Python. After learning to build methods and functions in Python, we're going to see how to build a tic-tac-toe game. Now, a tic-tac-toe game is a very simple and fun game to build. Then after that, we're going to learn object-oriented programming in Python. After that, we're going to learn errors and exception handling. Then we're going to learn modules and packages. Then we're going to learn Python decorators and Python generators. And at the end, we're going to learn advanced Python modules, advanced Python objects, and data structures. So it's going to be a fun course. And this course is going to be very simple, very explanatory, and very efficient, so that you can pick up things simply and easily. I'm going to be trying my best to explain you in a simple way. Now that we've discussed that what's Python and what we're going to learn, now let's discuss how to install Python and Pycharm. Now you're going to be thinking that what's Pycharm? So Python, we're going to install or download Python interpreter, and Pycharm is an IDE to edit code in Python. So let's download Python interpreter. For that, you're going to have to go to your browser, any browser, and you're going to search python.org. So here we go, python.org. I'll leave the link of python.org in the link or in the description box down below, so you can get easily to Python, the official website of Python. Then you're going to go to downloads. Then once you're in downloads, you're going to see a button saying download Python, and the version is going to be written. Now currently for me it's Python 3.8.3, but for you it can be anything. It can be Python 3.9, Python 3.8.4, anything, but it should be Python. And once you download that, you're going to go to your downloads and set up your Python, which is very easy. Just go to your downloads, run Python, and that's it. You don't need to launch Python, you just gotta set it up. Then you gotta do you have to go to Pycharm. Just say Pycharm download. Just write it in your browser, okay? Just write Pycharm download, and then you're gonna go to the official website of JetBrains, and then you're gonna click on the first link that says jetbrains.com, and it's gonna be saying Pycharm, the official Pycharm download. I don't know, look at this, Python IDE for professionals. Okay, just click on that, and then you're gonna see a option of download, and then just click on download, and then you're gonna see these two options, professional and community. You saw that we didn't get the option of download because I just directly went to the downloading section. So then when you're in downloading section, you're gonna have two options: either download the community edition or the professional edition. So I prefer you download the community edition because the professional edition is paid and it's for professional developers, not for us. Okay, then you're gonna just do what? You're gonna click download, and once it's downloaded, then just go search Pycharm. Okay, I'm just gonna tell you how. Just say Pycharm, and here you can see I have this executor of Pycharm, installer of Pycharm. You're gonna click on that. It's gonna be in your downloads. Okay, then it's gonna ask you, do you want to allow the changes to the device? Say yes. So it's currently installed for me, but for you, if you say make the change, if you allow it to make the changes, it's gonna say that welcome to the Pycharm community edition setup. Then you're gonna set it up, just install it, and that's it. Then you don't have to launch it, and now I'll show you how to launch it. Just search Pycharm. Okay, when you just search Pycharm, let me just launch it from here. Here we go. Oops, I just opened Excel, I'm sorry. Now once you're in Pycharm, when you open it, you're not gonna see like something like this. Okay, you're gonna preferably see a window saying create new project. Now I'm just gonna show you how to create new project. So I'm gonna just delete this project, delete. Okay, now the window is going to tell you that create new project. Okay, so just click on create new project, and when you click on create new project, there's going to be a window like this, create project. Now you're going to name your project my project.py. So I named it my project.py. You can name it anything you want. Then select new environment using, and then select the Python interpreter. Then just create it. I'm gonna say this window. So it's creating the virtual environment for us to edit our code on. Okay, then it's gonna give you the tip of the day window. Just leave it, we don't need it. It's gonna take some time. Here we go, we have the project created, and now just leave the tip of the day window, and once your project has been created, you're gonna see something like this, and then just on the left side of the screen, just click on one project, and then you're gonna see the name of your project, my project.py. Then just right click on that, new, create a Python file. Okay, so let me just do that again. New, just right click on your project, new, and there you're gonna see multiple options of files. So just say Python file, and then Python file, right, name it whatever you want. So in this case I'm just gonna name it hello world. Name it whatever you want. Okay, first before this update of Pycharm, we used to just say .py, but now it gave us the option to have a Python file, so we don't need to add .py. But if you want to add .py for confirmation, you can. So I will just add .py and just gonna say create, and just leave this window. Here we go, we have this beautiful window of Pycharm to do projects and to code in. Now you're gonna be not seeing something like this if you're installing Pycharm for the first time, because this is the Darkula mod, and for you maybe it's gonna be the light mod. So go to settings. Okay, just go to settings and then go to appearance. When you're inside appearance, you're gonna see this theme. Just maybe it will be something like this for you. Let me just show you. It will be something like this for you, but instead of IntelliJ Light, just say Darkula. apply, and here we have Darkula. Okay, that's it for this video. I showed you how to download Python and Pycharm, and what's Python and what we're going to learn in this course. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the bell notifications on so you don't miss any updates from my channel. And comment down below if you have any question, and I will see you in the next video where we start to code and start our section 1 and just learn Python.